Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway.
Yeah. I know. We're all excited to meet the superstars. Come on, give it up for them one more time. Tiger, Sonam and Harnaaz in the house. Exactly, I told you guys are the best, and of course we have the best here. Baagi 4 के लिए congratulations. We'll start with Sonam, of course. आप यहाँ हो, आपसे ही शुरू कर लेता हूँ. What would you like to say to all the amazing people here and the kind of response that we've gotten? Of course, trailer जब से आया है, जब से गाने आए हैं. What do you have to say?
What's up, everybody? कैसे हो आप? I love you all so much. Thank you so much for coming. आप सब आए. You know, we are so excited for you all to watch our film Baagi 4. कितने दिन रह गए? I think about 3 days to go, right? And we are just very excited. And Tiger is also going to share some very exciting news. But I am here for the very first time and so happy to see you all. Yes, I love you too. Thank you.
I love सबको. All right, Harnaaz, thank you so much for being here, first of all. And what a debut with Baagi 4, with these wonderful co-stars. What do you have to say, Harnaaz?
Hello, everyone. So good to see all of you here, and I have to say, क्या experience रहा है मेरी पहली फिल्म का टाइगर के साथ, संजू सर के साथ, सोनम के साथ. I'm feeling very blessed, and बाकी सब रब पे छड़ है.
बिल्कुल रब की इच्छा है और बड़ी अच्छी इच्छा है, because जो भी अब तक हमने देखा है, जो गाने सुने हैं, they are fantabulous. And now, ladies and gentlemen, वो हम क्या कर रहे थे? टाइगर का हमने क्या बोला था? Out of the roof energy. So Tiger.
I never answer to no, man, I still go.
You know, when it comes to action, there's no one like him. And of course, this time the emotional quotient will be out of the roof. Congratulations, Tiger. Thank you so much for doing this. And itna hatke avatar mein, what do you have to say to all the people out here?
सबसे पहले तो माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, थोड़ा लेट आए, पर आप सभी को बहुत प्यार. आपको आप सभी को thank you so much, everybody. I'm sorry I can't see everybody. It's a full house. Thank you so much for coming. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि 2 दिन में आप भी हमारे साथ मूवी देखेंगे. बागी 4 आ रही है September 5th को, इस Friday. Really hope you guys enjoy the film. It's a film for everybody, so just enjoy yourselves. और बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने इतना प्यार दिया मुझे 10 साल से, तो बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ इसके लिए. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll clear the stage. The 3 rock stars here, of course. सुनो, तालियां सीटियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए यार.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
Well, that's how we do it, of course. आखी country से इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है इन सबको, fans. So, with your kind permission, एक बार trailer हो जाए सबके साथ, Tiger. Harnaaz, Sonam, shall we do it? Okay, so we're gonna watch the trailer with the stars, and of course, आप सबके साथ, all eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have the trailer, please?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. 'Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
That was brutal in the true sense of the word. Sorry. Give it up for the stars one more time, ladies and gentlemen. And I know, बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए हैं. थोड़ा सा, you know, adjust कर लो यार सब लोग यहाँ पे. Tiger, first things first, we have to give it to the man who's made it all possible. Sajid Nadiadwala साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, ladies and gentlemen. The producer साहब, of course, Nadiadwala Grandson Entertainment. उन्होंने जो भी entertainment दिया है, जो भी फिल्में आप सबको दी हैं, एक से बढ़कर एक सुपर हिट फिल्में हैं वो. And with this, you know, India's biggest बार साजिद सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on people. You know, debut की जहां तक बात करते हैं हम, that dream debut. Tiger, you started with Sajid sir's film Heropanti की अगर मैं बात करूं. For you, Harnaz, this is that one big debut. For you, it was Houseful 5, right? So, what do you have to say Sajid sir के बारे में and उनकी जो understanding है films को लेके, scripts को लेके? We'll start with you, Tiger.
मैं हमेशा ये बोलते आया हूँ कि मैं आज जो कुछ भी हूँ उन्हीं की वजह से. उन्होंने मुझे लॉन्च किया इंडस्ट्री में हीरोपंती में. उनकी वजह से मुझे मौका मिला आप सबके सामने आने को. तो वेरी ग्रेटफुल, बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ. उन्होंने मुझे जन्म दिया इस इंडस्ट्री में.
Harnaz, for you working with Nadiadwala Grandson Entertainment.
You know, it's been 75 years. It's always when Tiger babes and everything. It's been 75 years of Nadiadwala Grandson Entertainment, and you know, I've grown up watching their films. So it was always my dream to be, you know, launched by him, and I could have never asked something bigger than Baghi 4. You know, being one of the biggest franchise, and Tiger being my first hero. I've given my heart and soul, and what a beautiful story. I can't wait for people to see it in the next 2-3 days. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Sonam, please tell me, सी है जिसको आगे carry forward कर रहे हैं, and you are a part of this film. उनकी एक बहुत बड़ी film है with this superstar. You know, we all love Tiger. So tell me about the experience of working with them, and of course Sajid sir.
मुझे हिंदी फिल्मों में लाने वाले साजिद सर हैं. मैंने अभी तक पंजाब में काम किया था. मेरी पहली फिल्म साजिद सर के साथ थी. And when he reached out to me for this film, I could not say no. And I fully trust his vision. I think we all do, and he's proven himself over these years. So I'm very honored to work with him, to work with Tiger, Harnaz. Sanjay sir के साथ मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है, वो Houseful में भी थे. We are actually missing him here, aren't we? Right? Who all are missing Sanjay sir? Yeah. So grateful, and I'm very happy to be a part of this.
Thank you so much for sharing. And we all know that कि वो अपने fans के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, फिर चाहे वो तोड़-फोड़ action हो या कमाल का emotional quotient हो. तो Tiger के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Tell me, you know, we are talking about the biggest action film franchise जिसका आप हिस्सा हैं. Emotionally, how challenging is it, Tiger, for you? Because you make it look so easy, but it's not at all easy, I'm sure.
यार बहुत मेहनत लगती है. हर एक्शन सेट पीस के पीछे बहुत मेहनत लगती है. पर मैं जब भी ऐसा ढीला पड़ता हूँ तो मैं इनके बारे में सोचता हूँ. इनसे मुझे ताकत मिलती है. तो आप सबको शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगा. आपके वजह से आज जो कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत हो, आपके वजह से हो, आपके वजह से हो, आप सभी की वजह से हो. तो thank you so much for your support.
Thank you. Just बताओ, how was it working with this gentleman? Because loving the chemistry on screen. और आज ही एक गाना आया है, जोरदार तालियां पहले तो उसके लिए, उस गाने के लिए, जहां पहले अपने moves दिखा रही हो, फिर तलवारें चाकू चला रही हो. Talk to us about that, please.
Well, I can't say a lot. लेकिन क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है फिल्म में. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. लेकिन टाइगर बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट रहा है. He's such a wonderful co-actor to work with. We had a lot of fun on set. He's so calming, and he was guiding me through the film, and I just whatever that I performed, I think he helped me a lot on that.
Right. Sonam, for you know, working with this gentleman here, of course we talked about Sanju Baba. हर कोई उनको बहुत प्यार करता है. But this gentleman here, what do you have to say about him?
I think I had a great time working with Tiger. Such a supportive co-actor, and there's a lot to learn from him. We've done little action in the movie, but you have to, I mean, we all can see what he has done, you know, in the trailer and the film. I mean, he's just phenomenal.
He's phenomenal. All three of them are phenomenal. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them one more time. I know, कुछ और काम कर लेते हैं, आगे बढ़ाते हैं. We have this very special announcement for all of you, जिसकी अब तैयारी है because advance खुलने वाला है. So एक countdown देते हैं and then Tiger आपके लिए कुछ बहुत ही खास लेकर आए हैं जो एक-एक करके roll down करेगा यहाँ पे. So we'll start with this countdown. All right. All set? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Here we go!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can
Started,
still
ladies and gentlemen, Baagi 1, जिसके साथ इतना सारा प्यार आपने दिया टाइगर को, पूरी टीम को, and जब दोबारा आई थी ये फिल्म, so it was double the action, double the entertainment. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Also, let me tell you, इतना ही नहीं था, ये गाड़ी यही नहीं रुकी. इसके बाद आई बागी 3, जिसमें it was 3 times the entertainment, 3 times the emotion, 3 times the action. So in 3, 2, 1.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
I think part 4 के लिए मैं अपनी दोनों हीरोइंस को ये ऑनर देना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये असली हीरो है मेरे लिए part 4 में. तो सोनम and Harnaaz, if you can do the honors for part 4 on your countdown, sir.
All right, in 3, and 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I know. This is the moment जिसका हम सबको था इंतजार कि कब finally we'll get to book our tickets. And we can do that now because the advance bookings are open with Nexus Seawoods. Give it up for Tiger, Sonam and Harnaaz one more time. And before we wrap this up, as I said, there's only one thing that Tiger believes in, and that is his fans. तो आप सबके साथ एक सेल्फी लेना तो बनता है. So चलो, सब लोग पोज कर लो. We'll request the stars to click a selfie with you, right? Tiger, kindly do the honors. Okay, guys. I know, थोड़ा रास्ता दो ना, थोड़ा just control, guys, control, है ना? अपने फोन नीचे कर लो. Now you can pose with the stars, okay?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.
All right, 5th September is when we'll get to.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be it in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Tiger, that was fantabulous. Thank you so much. One more time, thank you so much. Give it up for Tiger Shroff, ladies and gentlemen. Harna Sandhu and Sonam Bajwa.
अच्छा आप तीनों दोस्तों, ठीक है। कितने लोग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस सोनम बाजवा से मिलना चाहते हैं? ठीक है। तो अभी सबको बुलाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले जिन लोगों को देखो हर चीज का ना एक टेस्ट होता है, ठीक है, उसके बिना कुछ होता नहीं है, ठीक है। तो वो क्या बात है, अरे क्या है, ये कौन लेके आए? भाई गर्लफ्रेंड है आपकी? भाई गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या आपकी? है? वो बोलेगी नहीं कुछ? है? आओगे, आओ पास हो एक बार।